No one really knows about this way. Never see people back here. We're like the only ones. I don't know. I think it's entertaining. Park versus Cedar Creek is just a straight line. Who, Riley? Yeah.
Pause up and everything.
Put it on over here just to get a prettier angle. Swallowtails everywhere. Come on. That's pretty. Look at the sky. Monarch. Move. Climb through tick. Hey! I know, just imagine her like crying. Yeah. You see the cow, Julie? Look. It's where all the hay is baled. All the baled hay goes. Get up there. Come on. Go ahead, Julie. Julie. Go. Come on. Good girl. Keep going. Please. Come on, Julie. Look. Get up there. Climb. Is there... Here, Julie. Up here. Mama. Oh. I've never seen these doors. Oh, there's cows down there. Oh, camera's picking it up. They used to have soda machine here. Wonder why they got rid of it. Didn't you think they would want the revenue?
big old baby.
Ooh, easy, Jimmy. I want you big. Hi, buddy.
Oh, please do not pet the horses.
Yeah,
Look at the mice. See all the mice? Look at how freaking haunted house, Joey.
Hey, you see the goats? Oh, you see the goat? She sniffed him. Hi. Hi, baby. What a sweet little animal you are. She's so jealous or something. Farming began more than 10,000 years ago when people discovered that grasses produce edible seeds which can be planted to grow a new crop. They learned how to tame horses, cattle, goats, and sheep for food, clothing, and transportation. Farmers settled in one place, developing a deep knowledge of natural cycles.
You could have burgers in that.
Pretty. Look at your baby. Look at your baby. Donkey. It's okay, I'm recording.